Hi, I'm Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney who specializes in helping injured workers with their Georgia workers' compensation claims. Today I want to talk to you about something that you'll probably run into if you're injured at work: drug testing. There's two types of drug testing in Georgia workers' compensation claims. The first almost always occurs soon after your injury. When you report your injury to your employer, they're probably going to send you to a hospital, an immediate care, or urgent care clinic to get you evaluated. One of the things that almost certainly will happen in that evaluation is a drug test. The drug test is done to determine whether you're taking an illegal drug or a prescription, a prescribed drug, but one that you don't have a prescription for, or maybe to determine if you were using alcohol at the time of your injury. And the reason that the employer drug tests you is because your employer or their insurance company can use a positive drug test to deny your workers' compensation claim for what's called willful misconduct. Basically, that means that if you come back with a positive drug test, they get a presumption that the drug that you were taking caused your injury, and they can deny your claim on that basis. Now, you can fight that denial in court, and there are some special rules that apply. The second type of drug testing is drug testing that occurs when you're getting medical treatment for your injury and taking medications, often when you're taking pain control medications like narcotics. This drug testing will often occur if you end up with a serious injury and end up treating with a pain management doctor. There's been rule changes in Georgia in the last few years to try to cut down on the number of drugs that are being sold on the street illegally. And these rule changes make sure that pain management doctors are required to test you if they're giving you certain types of medication every so often, to make sure that you're taking those medications as prescribed and that you're not selling them. Now, this testing will basically determine whether those medications are in your system. And so if you don't take your medications as your doctor prescribes, then the testing may come back showing that. Often that can lead to your doctor dismissing you from the pain management treatment. And this can make it very difficult to receive the medical treatment you need. It can also result in, your inability to receive other workers' compensation benefits like wage loss benefits. So it's very important to follow your doctor's orders. If you have questions about the medications, definitely address those to your doctor, but take them as prescribed. If you don't, there could be consequences for you. If you have any questions about your Georgia workers' compensation claim, I'm happy to talk to you. You can contact me through my website or by calling me at 770-214-8885. Thanks for your time today.